Hey guys, want a quick keto style macaroni and cheese base and you don't have any keto friendly noodles? I'm going to show you what you can do with rice, cauliflower, cheese, veggies, and protein. This can be used as a base without the add-ins, with just the cheese and rice. All you want is your mac and cheese. This is done in the microwave. It takes just a few minutes. If you want something like a bacon mac and cheese or a shrimp, ham, or chicken mac and cheese, you can use this with any meat, like brisket even, and do a savory protein-packed mac and cheese. When I was a kid, I really enjoyed Hamburger Helper and Tuna Helper, the cheesy one. And as an adult, I still like that stuff, but I can't eat it anymore, so I will be making that today in this form. I need something really quick. Just got done with my treatment, my Spravato, and I really need to just lay down and eat. So I'm trying to stick with keto, and we're going to go ahead and get started. So I'll just make it. I am going to be making mine Tuna Helper style. Just leave out the protein if you're going to do it different. The steps are the same. The only difference is that you are taking the time to add veggies and protein. So you're going to want some riced cauliflower. I like these, not this brand particularly. I like the store brand when I can find it. Smith's and the Kroger chains have it the most cost effective. Couldn't find it this time. And you can do the whole package, but I'm only going to do part, because I'm not going to eat the whole thing. Then I'm going to add veggies to mine. These are mixed veggies. I often just do the pea and carrot mix. This is what I've got. So as you can see, got everything in the bowl. You don't need to really add water to this. It's going to release its own water. Cauliflower is pretty watery on its own. It takes about 3 or 4 minutes to steam the whole bag. I'm going to go ahead and do it for that long. I'll come back when this is done. I'm back. This is cooked. Excuse me, I forgot a fork. So now at this point, you can do just the cheese. I'm going to throw in this in moderation. I don't like the flavor of American, but it's popular, so it works if you like that sort of thing. It does, I use it because when you pair it with real cheese, it does give it a nice flavor that melts easier. I go through a large thing of Velveeta maybe in a year, or I may go through 2. I don't make this that often. This dish, this will give, it's kind of like a quick microwave dinner, and it's, you know, I'm sorry you can't see the counter. I have stuff behind the camera, so I can't push it forward. So at this point, you can just do the cheese. But, you know, or if you want the loaded macaroni, you can do your bacon, your chicken, your brisket, your ham, your shrimp. Works good. I'm going to do tuna fish. You can add a splash of cream to this, but you don't really need it. The Velveeta adds a lot of creaminess to it. Sometimes I only use half a can, sometimes I use the whole can. I'm going to use the whole can today because if I have any leftovers, I'll just take it for lunch. So now I'm going to put this in the microwave until it melts. Be back. And that's going to be maybe a minute or two. Alright guys, it's done. I'm going to just mix this all together. You just want to check it, make sure all the cheese melts. I mean, it's kind of weird looking to most people, but whatever. You've eaten any hamburger helper, it's full of all sorts of stuff you can't pronounce. This is just cauliflower. And I admit the American cheese is questionable, even though it's quite popular. Mostly, you know, you can even omit it. This is simply vegetables, cauliflower, tuna fish, and cheese. Now, I'm going to put some salt and pepper on this and some garlic powder. You know, if you're just doing the mac and cheese, salt and pepper is fine. Or nothing at all. Some people like nothing at all in their food. Me, I like seasoning. I like spice. I like flavor. Alright guys, see how that tastes. That's pretty good. You can add egg to this, or even to regular mac and cheese. Scrambled eggs are a good way, or even a fried egg is a good way to bulk it up for protein if you want to just do your regular noodles. I just don't have any, and I need something quick. This took less than 5 minutes. If you enjoyed it, have a good one.